Hello, this is Professor Weber. In this little tutorial video, I'm going to explain how to log on to Blackboard and how to access our online platform that we will be using for our virtual classes. All right, so on your screen right now, you should see the SUNY-Suffolk.edu webpage. So what you're going to do first is you're going to come over here to where it says MySCCC, and you're going to click on that. Now, as a student of Suffolk, you should have a MySCCC account. If you have not created one yet, you're going to come down here where it says click create a username and password. So you click on that, it brings you to this page, and you're going to enter the school ID you received, and then you put in your date of birth, and it will generate an account for you. Since I already have that, I'm going to put mine in. And I log in. I come to the screen where it now says, welcome to MySCCC. And we're going to then click on where it says right here, SUNY Online. So I keep saying SUNY, Suffolk Online. You click on Suffolk Online, it's going to bring you to this page where it says BB Blackboard. Keep hitting login and accepting any pop-ups until you get to this screen right here. Across the top, it should read Suffolk Online, Courses, Library, Content Collection, Community. I believe the student page has those as well. You're going to click on Courses. Now mine lists all the courses that I am currently teaching. Yours will have the class you are taking. So if you are in my statistics class, you're going to click on the 21764 MAT 103, 504 statistics. If you're in my task class, you're going to click right here, 34658 XBS-066-022 complete GED. If you're in my SAT prep class, you're going to come down here to where it says 34680 XEP-108-001 SAT prep course. If you're taking only that, I mean, my statistics kids, you're going to have all your classes listed. The task students, you should only have your class listed. Same thing with the SAT students. So your class should only be the one listed. And I'll say courses where you are student. I'm going to list all the classes I'm currently teaching. I'm just going to click on one of them. So I'll click on the SAT one. Again, for the statistics students, click on statistics. Task students, you're going to click on one that says complete GED. After you do that, you're going to come to this screen where it says announcements. And I did post a little announcement here. And this is the same instructions that I gave you guys already. What you're going to do next then is come down on the left-hand side of the screen. Scroll down to where it says Course Tools. Click on Course Tools. Then click on BlackBoard Collaborate Ultra. It's going to open up into the online platform. What you do next is then for the next class, whatever class day may be, you click on that, and then it's going to ask you to fill out some information to log in, and then you just click on it to get into the classroom. I have it set to be open 15 minutes before class time. So whatever time our class begins, it will be open 15 minutes beforehand if you want to log in early. So that's how to access the live video chat, which again, during our scheduled time, we will still be holding our classes, and I will be present during those time frames. If for any reason you cannot attend class, which I will be taking attendance during the live feeds, if for any reason you cannot attend, the sessions will be recorded. So to find the recordings, you're going to come over here where these three horizontal lines are. It says menu. And you come down to recordings. So obviously there hasn't been a recording yet because I haven't had a session, but here's where you would find the recording. And obviously I will be teaching during the time frame in this virtual atmosphere. So however long our class is, that will be how long the recording will be. So for my statistics class, again, there'll be 1 hour and 15 minutes, 2 times a week. For the task class and for the SAT class, it will be 3 hours. And then during the live session, obviously, if you want to ask questions, there will be a raise hand, I believe, icon that you can click on, and it kind of pops up and lets me know you have a question. I will have chat boxes activated during our live feeds so that we can communicate. I'm also thinking about doing some office hours for extra help. I haven't set those up yet. So any questions, please email me at weberc@suny-suffolk.edu. So I hope that is helpful to explain how to log onto Blackboard and how to log into our live video chats for our upcoming virtual classes. Again, any questions, please email me at weberc@suny-suffolk.edu. For my statistics students, you can find me on the Remind app. And for my task students, you can also find all our information on edmodo.com. Thank you.